Hi, this is James. Welcome to the Live Visit application training for the Assistant module. This is your staff's administrative tool for the Live Visit application. To log into the Assistant account, open your favorite browser and go to your subdomain.mdlivevisit.com or therapylivevisit.com. Enter a username and password. If you forget your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link. You will be asked a security question. Once you answer that question correctly, you will be emailed a randomly generated password. When the information is correct, click Connect. Use the Account Settings icon when you need to change information for the Assistant account. You will probably only change these account settings in the event of a change in staff. So if you need to change your username or password, this is where you do it, and you click Save. When staff needs to look up or make changes to provider information, they can go to the Provider Search area. Searches can be made by the provider's last name, or staff can search all providers by simply clicking the Search button. When they click the View button to the right of the provider's name, the information for that provider will appear. Here, administrative staff can make changes to the provider account just as the provider would. When staff wishes to view or modify patient information, click Patient Search. Searches can be made using detail information, as in patient's last name, or patient state, or even patient's zip code. Or, to get a complete list of the patients, click Search. To view detailed patient information, click View. To edit profile information, click Edit Profile. To view medical records, click Medical Records. The assistant can also view medical history, behavioral health history, order lab tests, message the patient, and upload documents. To add a new provider to your Live Visit account, click Add New Provider. Enter the basic information in all fields with an asterisk. If this provider will be prescribing medications, they will need to enter their DEA number. The appointment length for each provider can be set specifically to 5 minutes to 60 minutes. Make sure you select the time zone and check the radio button that indicates the provider type. Enter the state license number for the provider and click Save Physician. When staff needs to manually add a new patient to the account, click Add New Patient. As with the provider, enter information in every field where an asterisk is present. Don't forget to enter the time zone. Click Save Patient. Sometimes you will want to add session credits to a patient account. This could be because the patient wants to pay for several sessions in advance, or their insurance company has approved for future sessions. For this, you will want to go to Account Credits. Here you have the ability to add up to 5 credits per transaction. Choose the patient who will be receiving the credits. The window will expand to show you how many credits the patient currently has, and will ask if you need to charge this customer. Answering yes will allow you to charge the patient's credit card up to 5 credits. Answering no will allow you to enter up to 5 credits without charging the patient. In this text box, you can also enter the funding source, whether the patient paid by check, cash, or if their insurance company paid for several sessions. Patient sessions can be scheduled in 2 ways. One way is for the patient to do it themselves based on provider availability. This is covered in the patient account module. The other way is for administrative staff to manually schedule sessions in the View Calendar icon. To schedule an appointment, click on the green Schedule Appointment button. Select the provider, patient, appointment method, video or phone, the date that you would like to schedule the session, and the time. Click Make Appointment, and the appointment appears on your calendar. Note that the appointment on the calendar specifies the provider and the patient names. Staff can also schedule provider availability by clicking on the start time, selecting the end time, and choosing the provider. Click Create Availability, and that time frame is blocked out for that provider to be available. Staff can view appointments and availability based on the day, the next 4 days, the week, and the month. Staff can also view future dates by clicking on the calendar to the left. To cancel an appointment or availability, simply click on the event and click Cancel Event. The assistant also has the ability to send messages to providers and patients through the secure email portal in LiveVisit. In the Message Center, the assistant can view received and sent messages and compose messages. Where providers can only send messages to patients and patients can only send messages to providers, the assistant can send messages to both. Select the person that you wish to send a message to. Enter a subject and the message and click Send. A confirmation message will appear at the top of your screen and you can view that your message has been sent. This concludes the LiveVisit application training for the Assistant account. If you have questions, please feel free to contact us. For sales support, contact Sheila Smallwood. For technical support and training, contact Joyce Espana or James Heller. Thank you for joining us.